Hey there, fellow travelers. Are you planning a trip to China? From the Great Wall to the Terracotta Army, China is an explosion of culture and history. But before you go, there's something really important we need to talk about: staying safe. In this video, we'll learn essential Chinese phrases to navigate any situation. So let's get started. When you're traveling in a foreign country, things don't always go as planned. You might find yourself in unfamiliar surroundings, feeling a bit overwhelmed. Maybe you get lost in a market or need immediate assistance. It's easy to feel anxious when you can't communicate effectively. The first phrase you need to know is how to call for help. This can be crucial in emergencies. In Chinese, help is shouted "Ju Ming," pronounced "Ju Ming." It's a powerful phrase that can grab attention quickly. This one phrase could be a lifesaver. Knowing it can make a huge difference in critical situations. Imagine you're exploring a crowded night market, filled with vibrant sights and sounds, and someone tries to steal your wallet. It's a common scenario in busy places. Shout Ju Ming, attracting attention and scaring off the thief. The louder the better. Don't be afraid to shout it out loud and clear if you need help. Your safety is the priority, and this phrase can be your best ally. What if you need to contact the authorities? Knowing how to say "call the police" in Chinese is essential. The phrase is "bao jing," pronounced "bao jing." Bao means report and jing means police. If you notice someone trying to break into a shop, shout bao jing, alerting anyone nearby. Bao jing, keep that phrase handy. Getting lost is practically a rite of passage when you're exploring a new country. It can be both an exciting adventure and a bit nerve-wracking, especially if you don't speak the local language. In Chinese, "I'm lost" is "wo mi lu liao," pronounced "wo mi lu lei." This phrase can be a lifesaver when you find yourself in unfamiliar surroundings. Wo means I, mi lu means lost, and lei indicates a completed action. Together, they form a simple yet essential phrase for any traveler. Imagine you're wandering through a traditional hutong with its maze-like alleyways, and suddenly realize you're lost. The narrow paths can be disorienting. Find a friendly face and say "wo mi lu lei." Most locals are very understanding and willing to help. You can also say "Qingwen ninengbang wo ma," "Qingwen ninengbang wo ma," which means "excuse me, can you help me?" This shows politeness and respect. Most people in China, especially in tourist areas, are incredibly helpful and will point you in the right direction. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's all part of the adventure. It's always best to learn some basic phrases in the local language, but English is becoming increasingly common in larger cities and tourist destinations. This can be a huge relief for travelers who might feel overwhelmed by the language barrier. To find out if someone speaks English, ask "Ni hui shuo ying yu ma," pronounced "Ni hui shuo ying yu ma." This simple phrase can open many doors and make your travel experience much smoother. Ni means you, hui means can or know how to, shuo means speak, and ying yu means English. Breaking down the phrase helps in understanding and remembering it better. Ma is a question particle, turning the statement into a question. This little word is essential in making your query polite and clear. If you're at a train station trying to buy tickets, ask "Ni hui shuo ying yu ma." This can save you a lot of time and confusion, especially in busy places. If they do, great. If not, they might find someone who can. Often locals are very helpful and will go out of their way to assist you, even if they don't speak English themselves. So don't hesitate to ask for help. Let's talk about something crucial in case of emergencies: how to find a hospital. In Chinese, where is the nearest hospital? Is Zuijin de Yiyuan Zai Na Li, pronounced Zuijin de Yiyuan Zai Na Li. Zuijin de means nearest, Yiyuan means hospital, and Zai Na Li means where is. If you injure yourself while hiking, ask a local Zuijin de Yiyuan Zai Na Li. It's also good to know how to say "I need a doctor," which is "wo shu yao yi sheng" or "wo shu yao yi sheng." If you need to see a doctor immediately, knowing how to say "I need a doctor" in Chinese is essential. The phrase is "wo shu yao yi sheng," pronounced "wo shu yao yi sheng." Wo means I, shu yao means need, and yi sheng means doctor. If you start feeling unwell at a restaurant, approach a staff member and say "wo shu yao yi sheng." They can help you find a nearby clinic or call for medical assistance. "Wo shu yao yi sheng," keep that phrase close. Learning these simple phrases can make a big difference in ensuring your safety while traveling in China. Preparation is key, and knowing how to ask for help in the local language can truly be a lifesaver. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels and see you in the next video.